YouTube, it's your boy the Student Barber. I'm back again with another video. I know this is long overdue. I ain't been posting on this channel in a minute. It's a little over a year, you know, but 2020 I'm coming strong with some new things for y'all. But as y'all can tell by the title, I'm doing an unboxing video. Unboxing of what? Jeez. We're doing the cordless Andis Masters. Those are long overdue. Finally produced, finally dropped, and finally got myself a pair. So let's get straight into it. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Got this as a Christmas gift. You can see the little wrapping that was on it. But yeah, let's just check this out over here. First things first, this nice little square rectangular box. Freedom to roam, cordless technology. That's the main reason I wanted this, the freedom to roam. I did crack this open, but I did not use this or do none of that stuff yet. Let's see, a lithium-ion battery delivers over 90 minutes of runtime, charges in just 1 hour. Let's see if it stays true to that. I'm gonna have a review on it real soon. But we got powerful high-speed motor featuring consistent speed technology and won't drag or stall. And this, I'm really coming for the test. All right, we got carbon steel clipper blade adjust from 000 to number 1. And we got cordless operation with a premium charging stand. This is what comes inside of the box. A little bit of clipper oil, the charging stand, and the adapter. Let's see. All right, it just says from 000 to number 1. Control at the highest speed, at the highest wet. Obviously, only dry hair types. Also, we really gonna see that in a rotary mower, which I am quite excited for that. Which I wish they would have had a brushless motor like the Gold FXs, because that's like the strongest one that really never pulls. But yeah, rather do. Let's just get straight into it. You already know. Yes, sir. First thing off the bat, I will notice this is mad light, B. It's mad light for real. Hold on, I'm gonna switch to my other. Yeah, as I was saying, first things first, these are mad light. Let me just take this out of the wrapper for you. Comes in like a blue plastic bag. Yo, I'm telling you, these are mad light, B, for real. If I had a scale, I'll throw it on a scale for y'all. But whoa, these are mad light. I feel like some fast feeds in my hand. It's definitely a nice clipper. Probably, I want to see if it's the same size as the OGs. You know I got the OGs. Let's check. I wonder if it's the same size. Yeah, it's about, yeah, just a tiny bit bigger, you know, in length, but you know. I'm gonna go ahead and put this thing on the charger for y'all inside of the box. Let's see what comes inside the box. No guards, that's pretty whack for the price on it, but it comes with the, I'm pretty sure, yeah, the warranty, like everything. And inside the box, I'm gonna assume there's a charger, because I haven't seen a charger nowhere else. So yes, like I am right, that is definitely the charger. Yeah, let's just get everything set up, plugged up, and let me see how them boys run, sound, all that in a quick second. Yes, sir. Oh, that's a setup. This setup, guys. You know, my George's a little messy right now. You feel me? But oh yeah, you know, I got them things. It's a little messy right now, but yeah, let's get them things charged up. You two, them boys are fully charged. Let me. Thank you for tuning into my video. Catch me on the next one. It's your boy, the Student Barber, and I'm out. Peace.